Struggling with belly fat? Let's burn it fast with simple tips you can do every day. Tip 1. Walk or jog daily for 30 minutes. Low-intensity cardio helps your body burn stored fat efficiently. Tip 2. Cut sugary drinks and processed foods. Replace them with fruits, vegetables, and protein-rich meals. Tip 3. Add core exercises like planks, crunches, and leg raises. Just 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Tip 4. Drink plenty of water and get enough sleep. Staying hydrated and well-rested boosts metabolism and fat loss. Tip 5. Stay consistent. Losing belly fat takes time, but daily effort adds up. Small changes lead to big results. Follow these tips, stay active, and watch your belly fat shrink. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fitness hacks.